Olá a todos! Bom ano! I hope you all had a great holiday season. I am planning a lot of new things for this year and can't wait to share them all with you. In this video, I will be talking to you about the useful verb dar and its various uses. Mastering several aspects of this verb in context will make you understand and be understood when communicating in European Portuguese. It is a verb with several meanings and it expands its ways of being used when combined with different prepositions or when part of fixed expressions. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Also, consider being my patron, starting at $1 a month. It's a simple way to support my work and the time I put into developing these videos for you. E agora, vamos começar! Dar is a very popular verb and its most common meanings is to give. We give our loved ones love, attention, and also presents around the holidays. But dar stands for other English words along with to give, as to cause, to make, among others, depending on the context and other variables. In this episode, we want to walk you through those unexpected uses of dar when combined with different prepositions. I think we can never stress enough how useful key prepositions are and how important their role is when it comes to natural spoken language. So let me break down these structure combinations in a practical, simple way so you can understand and use them when you want to express similar ideas. Before I begin, I want to remind you that these rules and uses regard European Portuguese. Some of what we will be explaining is a bit different for other variants of Portuguese all over the world. Dar para. This combination means to face, to overlook, or it's good, enough, suitable for. A janela do meu quarto dá para o jardim. My bedroom window overlooks the garden. Esta roupa não dá para o inverno. This outfit is not suitable for winter time. Os lugares sentados não dão para todos. The seating is not enough for everyone. Eu não dava para contabilista. Detesto números. I wouldn't make a good accountant. I hate numbers. Next, we have dar com, dar-se com. There are two meanings for this combination. The first one is to match, to go with, and if dar is reflexive, to get along with, as in, esta camisola dá com esta saia. This sweater matches this skirt. Eu dou muito bem com os meus colegas de trabalho. I get along very well with my co-workers. The second meaning is to find, to stumble upon, to come across, to bump into, as in, dei com ele à saída do trabalho. I bumped into him leaving work. Eu não conseguia dar com os documentos. I couldn't find the documents. Now we have dar em. This stands for to end in, to lead to, or to become. Let's check some examples. Eles estão tão apaixonados. Acho que aquilo vai dar em casamento. They are madly in love. I think it will end in marriage. Trabalhei tanto no projeto e no fim não deu em nada. I worked so hard on the project and in the end it came to nothing. Estou a dar em doido à procura do presente ideal para a minha namorada. I am going crazy looking for the ideal gift for my girlfriend. Finally, we got to our last combination on today's list. Dar por. This one can be used as to notice, to declare. Here are some examples. Eu estava a dormir quando o João chegou e não dei por nada. I was asleep when João arrived and I didn't notice. Ela estava a conduzir e quando deu por isso, tinha passado a saída da autoestrada. She was driving and before she knew it, she had passed the highway exit. Depois de todos terem falado, o diretor deu por terminada a reunião. After everyone has spoken, the director declared the meeting was over. Interesting, right? I know Portuguese is a beautiful, challenging language. Dá que fazer. It's a hard nut to crack. And sometimes, dá que pensar. Makes one think. If one will ever master it. But trust me, the consistent study pays off. So my encouraging words for you today are dá-lhe. Go for it. Até para a semana!